Today on Gary's Urban Larder, I'm going to make a classic Caesar salad, including that famous dressing. Let's get started. Okay, I'll take you through the ingredients. First thing we're going to do really are the breadcrumbs, or the croutons. And I'm just actually going to drizzle that with some olive oil. Good amount. Some cracked black pepper. And some sea salt. And I'm just going to toss those around. And you can add whatever spicing you want. You could add some garlic powder as well, but I want these just really be a background note. So seasoning with salt and pepper is enough for me. And we're just going to spread those out on a parchment lined tray so that they're all a single layer. Make sure they're broken apart and that they're all flat. And that's going into my hot oven, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 Celsius, and I'll just let those toast. And while those are toasting, we'll get on and make our Caesar dressing. So I have an egg, which I've put in this little jug with some salt, black pepper, and white pepper. I'm going to add clove garlic, a little splash of water, Dijon mustard, 2 or 3 anchovies, and some grated Parmesan. And then I'm going to juice this lemon into that mixture. Before I forget, visit my website, garysurbanlarder.com, and you'll find the full list of ingredients and recipe. All right, so I'm just going to add the garlic, a splash of water, and I'll add our Dijon mustard. And we'll now add the juice of a lemon. Gullet strainer. And I just juice. Okay, I'm going to use a mixture of olive oil and sunflower oil instead of wholly olive oil, which one could do, because I think I prefer the lighter flavor. Okay, I've got our oil, and I want to add our anchovies. And I'm just going to add a little bit of oil to start so we can make our emulsion, and then we'll add in the rest of it and our Parmesan. So here we go. So while that's blending, I'll just drizzle in my oil, like making a mayonnaise. So a little at a time. That's beginning to emulsify. So I'm going to add in some of our Parmesan. Good 2-3 tablespoons of the parm. And I'll add the rest of our oil. Slowly incorporate that into the emulsion. Okay, here's our full emulsion. And we can start. Now I'll just check on our croutons and give them a quick toss in the oven so that they brown evenly on all sides. We have taken our croutons from the oven. They're nicely toasted and well seasoned. Now we turn our attention to the romaine, which was coarsely torn, rinsed, and spun dry. I'm just going to shave a bit of this beautiful Parmesan Reggiano onto the leaves. I always think it's nice to have a bit of shaved Parmesan in the bowl. So it's in there. I'm going to add some of our croutons, to your taste. Now, I think it's important to season your salad like you would any meal. So I'm going to do that. And I have some egg, which is soft oil, which I'm going to have, which are going to go on our salad. So look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So now all we have to do is to dress it. I think I'll use the rest of that Parmesan. No sense in wasting it. Hams. We will add some of our beautiful Caesar dressing. That's about 3 tablespoons. It's delicious. And we're just going to toss that to combine. So we've got that fairly well combined. Now all that we need to do is to plate it. Just get that onto our plates. This is really a beautiful salad to have on a summer evening, especially after a long, warm day. So, this is, so I truly am going to enjoy. I'm going to just arrange our egg onto that. I think I'll just use 3 eggs and maybe just a couple of shavings more of that Parmesan. And that's it. There you have our classic Caesar salad with homemade Caesar dressing and croutons. Now it's time to enjoy it. It really does look great. And I really do like the salad, particularly mealtime. So enough talking. Let's get it in my mouth. I know this is such a simple but classic salad. The crunch of the crouton, the soft boiled egg, all of those things combine together to really make this a classic. And I love it. Well, thank you for joining me today at Gary's Urban Larder. If you enjoyed today's recipe, please give us a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to the channel and to ring that notification bell so you don't miss a single delicious recipe. And finally, please share this video with your friends. It helps to build the community and really helps the channel out. Well, until next time, goodbye.